Hi guys, this is Brendan with Nav TV here, and I'm sitting on 2017 F250 SuperDuty, and I wanted to go over our all new and improved COD-F50 kit, which is a camera enabler for SuperDuty trucks with the 5-camera trailer system. And to confirm you have that system, pop it in reverse, hit this button right here, and you have to have all these cameras in order for this kit to work, okay? Alright, let's put that back in park. So the first thing that this adds, here it is right here, once again, COD-F50. This adds, we tie in behind the A pin, which is the screen, and also the I pin, which is the camera module. So it adds, real quick, blinker cameras. Okay, that was right. There's left. Okay. It adds camera retention, so when you press this button, it forces the rear camera, and anytime you change this view, you can clear it out with this button. Anytime you change this view, you go back into it, the same image you were on comes back. It doesn't default to surround view like it would OEM. So that's a pretty cool feature there. We also add a front camera view. It does the same thing, but for front, double tap. Okay, there's your front full view. If I want to stay on that view, I can clear out with this, go back in, double tap, and you'll see it's stayed. Okay. OEM rear camera is retained. If you want to change that view in rear, you can do that as well. So if you want to look at this one or this one here. Okay. It remembers what view you are in. These cameras will work all the time while you're rolling down the road. Okay. It also gives you video in motion for navigation. You could type in your destination in motion, and that'll work on both the OEM nav and also on a CarPlay or Android Auto as well. So in this truck, I also want to show you guys, this is the F50 kit. This doesn't add any auxiliary inputs, but we have another kit called the F53, which looks just like this, but it also has another harness coming off of here with some RCAs on it. So in this truck we actually have an F53, and we've wired the inputs to the upfitter switches. So if I come up here and I hit aux 1, we have a thermal imaging camera that we're testing there. If I hit aux 2 instead, there's a FLIR camera. Okay, and if I do both together, okay, it'll give you a third input. We don't have anything wired to the third input, but it's there if you want it. It's the kit 899 COD-F50. It says F5, but it's actually F50. Thanks for watching.